Co's energy, and more energy. That's what we want to see tonight.
Oh, you don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball! The 20-year-old comes flying through the air here in South Florida.
Want some more? Here, you want some?
Yeah, here.
You want some?
Oh, boy!
That's all I can say, Greg.
Our little Katie's all grown up. She's all grown up and she's all grown up. I'm crying. I'm crying for both of you right now. It's such a touching moment. We're gonna
Hand.
Yeah.
Hand it. And then we run. That's it.
That young Doug Christie. It's a sweet soul pageant. I might go with that look.
7-time Mr. Olympia.
Yeah, he's a big boy. He does that. Look at this. What does it say? Hold on.
Okay.
What does it say on this thing? Doug, I can't get this thing off.
I
Yeah,
got
pull
you.
that off
I got
there.
your assist. That's what teammates are for.
What does that say? Can you read it?
Sure.
Congrats,
Congrats,
K and
J.
J.
Oh,
Drink
yeah.
tonight.
Here, I'm just gonna
I
do
will.
this.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
disgusting.
No. Teams are going to come in here, and they're going to think that this is going to be easy eating is what they're going to think that it is. They're going to take your cake and your cookies and all that stuff.
Get a shot of this! Get a shot of that! How about our girl getting it done? Yeah!
Well done. Very good.
Congratulations. They should have stayed woke.
This is true. Yeah! Look at that face.
I don't see LeVar Ball in the stands, guys. So we're looking. We're looking. Just wanted to let you know, okay?
John, I'm just saying, first time on television, no tie. You are living large there, my friend. I see you, big man.
I'm comfortable in my own skin.
You tell me who you think did that.
John Wilson.
John Wilson, no doubt. Look at it, first try.